how to buy TokenJungle. So this token came under the symbol of GNGL. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in a project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And this token trending number 12 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token just by clicking here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. Now after that, select the provider by clicking on pricing. Click on provider, select the Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy GNGL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.